In a significant political shift in Meghalaya, two suspended Congress legislators, Charles Marngar from Mohati and Gabriel Walang from Nongstoin, along with Congress MLA from Umsling, Dr. Celestine Lingdor, officially merged with the ruling National People's Party, NPP, on Monday. This move has bolstered the NPP's strength in the 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, securing a majority with 31 seats, thereby solidifying the Conrad Sangma-led government's position. The defection of these MLAs is seen as a major setback for the Congress, which has struggled to maintain its influence in the state.
Thank you. Kindly sit down.
Legislators bagi ajak ke yang subah bagi orang mentah yang sistem berjumlah berjumlah dan persoalan itu parti banyak yang saya teraba dan dari parti bangin pun lorong bang penpaus seperti kayak itu bagi UI dan NPP bagi orang bersih yang berjumlah berjumlah kan pembahas yang parti.
This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show.
Today I am delighted to announce that I am not joining this party alone. I'm not joining alone, but as part of a dedicated team from Mohati constituency.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma